Hi, sir.
What do you like?
What do you like? I like ice cream.
What does your mother like?
My mother likes gulab jam.
Very good. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Divyasri.
What do you like?
What do you like? I like payasam. My mother likes vada.
Very good, very good. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Lata. I like lemon rice. My mummy likes payasam.
Payasam. Very good. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Rita. I like fish fry. My mother like puri.
Oh, your mother likes puri. Okay. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Rita. I like banana. My mother like
Upma. Okay, good. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Lavanya. My like apple. My mother name is my mother like idli.
Hi, what is your name?
Ramakka.
What do you like?
I like vada. My mother name
What does your mother like? My mother likes. Repeat.
My mother likes vada.
Vada. Your mother likes vada. Very good. What is your name?
My name is Geetanjali.
What do you like?
I like puri.
What does your mother like?
My mother likes puri.
Oh, your mother also likes puri. Very good. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Sophia.
What do you like, Sophia?
Python.
Sophia, what does your mother like?
Small banana.
Your mother likes small bananas. Okay. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Neha.
Neha, what do you like?
I like upma.
What does your mother like?
My mother likes vada.
Your mother likes vada. Okay, good, good. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Ram Charan.
Ramcharan, what do you like?
I like puri.
Ramcharan, what does your mother like?
My mother likes chicken fry.
Your mother likes chicken fry. Okay, good. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Yashwant Kumar.
Yaswant Kumar. Yaswant Kumar, what do you like?
I like vada.
What does your mother like?
My mother likes bonda.
Your mother likes bonda. Okay, good, good. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Jayendra Reddy. For me like laddu. For my mother likes payasam.
Oh, you like laddu and your mother likes payasam. Okay. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Gangadhara.
Gangadhara, what do you like?
I like is uddi vada.
You like Uddi vada. Okay, good.
My mother likes puri.
Oh, your mother likes puri. Good. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Manoj Kumar. I am like dosa chutney.
Oh, you like dosa and chutney. Okay, good, good.
My mother likes puri.
Your mother likes puri. Okay, good. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Lokesh.
Okay. What do you like, Lokesh?
I like bindu juice.
You like Bindu juice. What is that juice? Is it a cool drink?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Then, what does your mother like?
My mother likes avalakki.
My mother likes avalaki. Repeat.
My mother likes.
My mother likes.
My mother likes avalakki.
Okay, good.
My name is Mujashim Basha. I like gopi manjal.
My mother likes
My mother likes pani puri.
pani puri. Okay, good.
My name is Prabhas.
What do you like, Prabhas?
I like dosa.
And what does your mother like?
My mother likes idli.
My mother likes idli.
My mother likes idli.
Okay. Hi, what is your name?
Muttu.
Muttu. What do you like, Muthu?
I like puri.
Okay.
My mother
What does your mother like?
likes idli.
Oh, you like puri and your mother likes idli. Okay, good, good.
My name is Lakshmipati. I like lemon rice. My mother likes chicken biryani.
Oh, very nice.